Okay, I actually have a TI-84, so I can show you how to put the data in here for the TI-84. And then you can get the sums. And so I'll do the same data set here. This is the hours worked and the GPA from the original example. And so to put data in here, there's the stat button here, and you press on that and you get these three menus. You're going to hit edit, and when you do that you should get these lists here, and then you can type in for the hours. I'm going to type in so whatever the X values are. So you type in 4, hit enter, and it'll put it in the list, and then 12, 20, 28, and 41, and so that puts them in the list. And then for L2, I'm going to put in the GPAs, 3.78, enter, 3.05, 3.19, 2.56, 2.09. And so this is like my table, and these are my ordered pairs across. And so we have it in list 1 and list 2. This has several lists. Let's say I put data in here. If you need to clear out a list, what you can do is you go up to this part, hit clear, and then when you go down it'll actually clear out the list. Now I have this in L1, L2, and if those are the only ones you have, then that it'll default. You don't have to tell it which list. It knows to use those two lists, and L1 will be X, L2 will be Y. So I go back to my stat menu and I go to calc, and I'm going to go down to 2 variable stat. Hit enter, and then see it actually put in L1, L2, and there's no frequency list here. So you just skip that and you go to calculate. And then it calculates all these different things. So there's the sum of X, the 105, sum of X squared, 3025. And then there's the sum of Y, which is 1467. I keep going down. There's the sum of Y squared. And then there's the sum of my X times Y. And there you get all the sums there, which is what you need then to use this method to calculate your SS's and then your R. So that's how the TI-84 does it. It's really pretty simple, straightforward.